Have you ever wondered about the safety of your online persona? In our era of abundant data, cybersecurity breaches are more than just headline-grabbing incidents. They're a terrifying reality. Recently, the cybersecurity landscape has seen a drastic increase in security breaches. From global giants such as Microsoft, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn to typical home systems, no corner of the digital domain is immune. A spate of high-profile breaches has catapulted cybersecurity, or more accurately its shortcomings, into the spotlight. Large corporations, once deemed as impregnable data fortresses, have been rattled by attacks that have exposed the private information of millions around the globe. Notably, a top tech company, Microsoft, fell victim, where hackers exploited a system loophole, gained unauthorized access to sensitive user data, impacting millions of users and sparking a global conversation on the urgency for robust cybersecurity protocols. In another case, prominent social media platforms, Facebook and Twitter, were subjected to substantial data breaches. These incidents revealed the personal data of millions of users, including email addresses, phone numbers. Furthermore, LinkedIn, a leading professional networking site, wasn't spared either, experiencing a breach that exposed vast amounts of user data, highlighting the susceptibility of our digital existence. These breaches serve as a grim reminder of the dire need for potent cybersecurity measures. The significance of not only safeguarding our digital lives, but also taking an active approach towards cybersecurity. If you want to stay up to date with the latest cybersecurity breaches and learn how to protect yourself, subscribe to @DemystifyTech. In conclusion, the recent surge in cybersecurity breaches is a wake-up call for all of us. It's a stark reminder of just how vulnerable our digital lives can be. It underscores the need for robust cybersecurity measures and a proactive approach to protecting our digital lives. The era of information is also the era of vulnerability. And as we move forward, it's clear that cybersecurity isn't just a topic for tech enthusiasts. It's a concern that affects us all. Take a moment to reflect on your digital life. How secure is it really? The answer to that question may be more important than you think. In the digital world, the only constant is change. And as the landscape evolves, so too must our approach to cybersecurity. Remember, in the digital world, the best defense is a good defense. So stay vigilant, stay informed, and most importantly, stay secure.